Today I'm going to show you how to restore a website in Google Sites after it's been deleted. This is a quick and simple process that takes just a few minutes. Start by navigating to Google Sites. Once you're on the main page, click the 3 vertical lines in the top left corner. This is your hamburger menu. From the menu, select Google Drive, since all Google Sites files are stored there. In Google Drive, look for the bin on the sidebar. This is where deleted files are stored for 30 days before permanent deletion. Locate your deleted website. If you have many files, the search bar can help you find it quickly. Once you've found your site, click on it, and then select the Restore icon, which looks like a clock with an arrow pointing backward. Clicking Restore will move your site back to its original location and make it active again. Finally, go back to Google Sites to confirm your website has been restored. Your site should now be live and accessible. To prevent future mishaps, consider making regular backups of your sites. And that's it. You've successfully restored your Google site. Thanks for watching.